Yes.
Sum number 2 also. 2, 2.
First is sum number 2, correct? 2.
Yes.
After 2, 8. Then you said, I think, 11th
12.
or 12th. 12th, you said. Okay. Sum number 2 might be doubtful, but nobody else, none of you asked except Avan. A particle is thrown with velocity u, making angle theta with the vertical. It crosses the top of two poles, each of height h. After 1 and 3 seconds, then maximum height of projectile is how much? What is meaning of 1 and 3 second may crosses same position? That means that height is same, na? After 1 second and after 3 seconds.
Yes, sir.
What is formula for displacement at any interval t? Displacement is given by ut plus half at square. This is formula for displacement in general. Now in our case, vertical displacement, if you see the diagram carefully, theta is angle made with vertical. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Theta is with vertical and this is u. So this velocity will be now u cos theta and this velocity will be u sin theta as
U
per.
sin theta.
So for me, when time is 1 second, height is h. Time is 3 second, height is h. We want what is maximum height, capital H. This is our requirement. So for first case, h equals to u cos theta time t1 minus half g into t1 square. G into t1 square. This is same as u cos theta time t2 minus half g into t2 square. We can equate both equation.
Yes, sir.
If you equate, you will get u cos t1 minus half g t1 square equals to u cos theta t2 minus half g into t2 square. So I can take u cos theta wala term on one side and gt square on other side. U cos theta t2 t2 बड़ा है इसलिए t2 पहला लिखा. Take this on that side. U cos theta t1 equals to half g t2 square minus half g t1 square. So u cos theta t2 minus t1 equals to half g t2 square minus t1 square. Now all values we are knowing t1, t2, g, so we can find what is u cos theta. Just copy till this. If you complete, then please let me know. Can I clear this now?
Yes.
Yes, it can be cleared now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
U cos theta 3 minus 1 equals to half into G value 9.8 into 3 square minus 1 square. So we get U cos theta into 2 equals to half into 9.8. 2 square 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. So this is 2 into 4, 8. So U cos theta equals to 9.8 into 4 upon 2. That is 9.8 into 2. Now maximum height is U square. See, here you will make mistake. Maximum height is U square sine square theta. But here that angle is not theta with horizontal. It is
90 minus theta, sir.
This is the possibility of mistake. Upon 2g. So final h will become U square cos square theta upon 2g. So this is U cos theta, the whole square upon 2g. U cos theta we got 9.8 into 2. 9.8 into 2 square है इसलिए 2 बार लिख देता हूँ. 9.8 into 2, so that calculation becomes easy. 2 into 9.8. So 2 9.8 2 9.8 cancel. Answer is 19.6 meter. Very beautiful sum. But still nobody asked. That means you are becoming expert now. Please solve till end. If completed, again let me know. Next sum is also best sum. 8th वाला जो पूछा है मस्त sum है. चलो, can I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I think 8th you asked, na? 8th one. Very beautiful sum. 8th.
Yes, sir.
See, this again I am praising you. अगर ऐसा कर रहे हैं ना आप लोग काम तो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो. But this must be till another remaining time. That means nearly 2 years. A ball is released from top of tower. A ball is released from top of tower. So this is ground. Ball is released from top of tower. Top of tower, 11 by 36 height of tower. A ball travels from the top of tower 11 by 36 of height in the last second of the journey. Then height of tower is. So last second of journey, it covers 11 upon कितना मीटर है 36 height. So if total height is h, it covers 11 by 36 h in last second. This much so you have followed, I think.
Yes, sir.
अब इधर से इधर तक का डिस्टेंस कितना है बोलो? लास्ट सेकंड में इतना, तो उसके पहले वाले
Sir,
टाइम पे कितना?
H minus 11/36 H.
सुपर सुपर, करेक्ट. That is nothing but 36 minus 11, 25 h upon 36.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If from start to end time is t, suppose, तो ये तो लास्ट सेकंड वाला ना, एक सेकंड में, तो ऊपर वाले को कितना टाइम लिया उसने?
T minus 1.
अभी h के लिए t टाइम, 25 h upon 36 के लिए t minus 1 टाइम. Bodies dropped मतलब what is zero? Since ball is dropped, what is zero? Tell me.
Sir, initial velocity.
Very good. U is zero. Distance covered formula is ut plus half at square, बराबर. S मतलब h, because it is in downward you will write minus h. U is zero, time is t, half, a is g acting downward, so minus g into t square. Always formula में displacement is a vector quantity, downward negative I have substituted. So minus h is minus half gt square. Cancel this. So h becomes half of gt square. You can call this as equation number 1. Any doubt in first part?
No, sir.
Draw the diagram and copy this. Time लगेगा चलेगा, आपको बहुत समझ में आना चाहिए. अभी दो ही चैप्टर डिफिकल्ट जैसा है थोड़ा, उसके बाद सब इजी है.
सर
हाँ,
सर तो माइनस जी कैसे आया?
देखो जो भी वेक्टर डाउनवर्ड एक्ट होता है वो निगेटिव वेक्टर होता है. तो व्हाट इज
Okay.
डायरेक्शन ऑफ जी? डाउनवर्ड ना.
डाउनवर्ड.
दैट्स व्हाई इट इज रिटन एज माइनस जी.
ओके ओके.
Yeah. I have sent you the solution of that test paper. So many of you might have cross checked. आज चेक करके मार्क भेज देता हूँ. If you have done, then give me hint so that I can conclude full.
Done, sir.
Now, again, I can use that formula. S equals to ut plus half at square. This time from top, S is कितना? 25/36 है ना. H downward is the negative. Again, U is 0. T is T minus 1 plus half. A is minus G. T is T minus 1 the whole square. So minus 25 upon 36 h1 is minus half g into t minus 1 square. Both side minus cancel. Let this be our equation 2. Dividing 1 by 2, we get dividing 1 by 2, we get 2 by 1 कर देता हूँ, थोड़ा इजी हो जाएगा. 2 by 1 भी. अरे किसका इधर है कोमड़ा है? अवान आपका इधर है क्या?
हाँ सर, गांव में हो इसलिए.
आप गांव में है अभी?
हाँ सर.
इधर कर्नाटक?
हाँ सर.
वाह,
हाँ.
बारिश बहुत है ना उधर?
नहीं, अभी सर कम हो गया. कल परसों बहुत था.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. यू आर एंजॉय
साउथ. हाँ सर. नहीं सर, साउथर्न साइड में ज्यादा है.
वेकेशन एंजॉय कर रहे हैं अपन. तो ये t minus 1 और ये t दोनों का स्क्वायर कॉमन ले लेता हूँ. हैव यू फॉलोड दिस मच? डिवाइडिंग 2 by 1, so 2 वाला इक्वेशन का हाफ जी है और 1 वाले का हाफ जी हैव कैंसल्ड. t minus 1 upon t the whole square. बोलो फटाफट. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. व्हाट इज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 25?
5,
5. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 36?
6.
फटाफट बोलो, अभी तो
6 सर.
हाँ, कोमड़ा भी बोल दिया, अपन जाग गए अभी. t minus 1 upon t. Then can I cross multiply?
Yes.
This is 5 times t equal to 6 times t minus 6. Bring it on the other side. किधर जगह नहीं है यार, इधर लिख देता हूँ. चलो. This is minus t equal to minus 6. Therefore t equal to 6. Now I got t. Once I get t, can I get h from equation 1?
Yes sir.
Okay, just copy till t equal to 6. What is time at your native place, Avan?
Sir, it's 11:30.
अरे आपके इधर फिर मुर्गा इतना लेट टूटता है?
नहीं सर, वो हमेशा करता है सर.
अच्छा अच्छा.
अभी
ऐसा
लेक्चर चालू होता है.
वो बीच बीच में पावर नैप लेता रहेगा.
क्या पता.
कर्नाटक मीन्स उडुपी you got down.
Yes sir.
अच्छा. Just complete till t equal to 6. Then I will substitute in equation 1. We will get h. Karan, understood?
Completed.
Yes, sir, yes.
ये बीच में कोई शास्त्रीय संगीत सीखता है क्या? कर रहा है संदेश?
Sir.
Yes, understanding?
No, sir.
आप लगता है बराबर नहीं समझ रहे आप. संदेश का प्रॉब्लम?
No, sir. समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ सर.
नहीं, सी दिस इज 9th स्टैंडर्ड का सम. ये थोड़ी 11th है, गलती से लोग ने 11th में दिया है. काइनेमेटिकल इक्वेशन तो 9th में किया होगा ना आपने. डेरिवेशन आया तो नया होएगा ना. ये तो सेम है, खाली इंग्लिश में दिया है, पढ़ने का है, लिखने का है.
Done, sir.
Okay, one more line. From 1, h equals to half gt square. So h equals to half, g is given 10 and t is 6 we got. So h becomes half of 5 into 6 square 36. That is nothing but 180 meter. 180 meter. D option. Then 12th, no? Somebody said me 12th, I think.
Yes, sir.
दिस इज ऑल्सो सुपर्ब सम यार, क्या क्या सम पकड़ा है आपने, मस्त मस्त। चलो, कैन आई क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Sandesh, you have that PDF of the numerical, or shall I resend again?
No, sir, I have.
Just read sum number 12. Everybody should understand, not only me or few students. Sum number 12, read. Sandesh, you read louder.
I don't have that mobile.
Huh? You don't have mobile? Can you read sum number 12, Sandesh?
1 minute.
Hello? Yeah? How many times is IDFC will call? I think every day 10 call comes, 2, 3 recorded, 4, 5 from different places. No, why I shall speak, na? A recorded line they say 3 to 4 times. When it is not required, you please cancel. This is just harassing somebody.
Sir,
Hello?
yes, sir.
Any of you want loan? I said any of you
Loan,
want loan? अरे ये बहुत परेशान है इससे, बोलते लोन ले लो लोन ले लो, अभी लोन तो ले लेगा, उसको पिटाएगा कैसे? See. चलो, संदेश आपने बोला नहीं बेटा, रीड नहीं किया, मिला क्या बुक?
Kila, sir.
हाँ, रीड करो।
A body is projected with velocity v1
हाँ
from the point A
हाँ,
as shown in figure.
फिगर तो मैंने बना दिया है, shown in the figure, बराबर।
At the same time, another body is projected vertically.
अरे अनदर बुड्ढी, बुड्ढी नहीं है, बॉडी है ये।
और body बोला मैं.
अच्छा, मुझे लगा बोलते बुड्ढी है। चलो, प्रोजेक्टेड, हाँ बराबर।
Projected vertically upward from B with velocity v2.
हाँ,
The point B lies vertically below the highest point.
ओके,
For both
बराबर। हाँ, ठीक है।
for both the bodies to collide, v1 upon v2 upon v1 should be.
Okay, superb question. For both the body collide, what do you mean by collide? They will touch or they will not touch?
They will touch.
So
Obviously they will
touch.
मतलब इधर A भी आना चाहिए, B भी आना चाहिए ना। जब ये आ गया एक साथ, सेम टाइम पे आएगा तभी वो कोलाइड होएगा ना।
Yes.
एक 5
हाँ।
मिनट पहले आ गया तो गिर जाएगा ना नीचे। So for collision, distance covered should be same from the ground because ये same height है दोनों के लिए, and time taken must be same, तभी कोलाइड होएगा। दोनों को एक साथ फेंका कि आगे पीछे फेंका? Are they thrown simultaneously or first A is thrown and then second is thrown? Yes, Tirtha? Tirtha?
Yes, sir.
First A is thrown, then B, or both are thrown simultaneously?
First is thrown.
Check again. I think you don't have book. Check again. I can read at the same time they have given.
Yes, simultaneously.
Yes, same time. Nandini? Hello, Nandini? Nandini?
Yeah.
If A I throw at 12 o'clock, तो B को कितना बजे फेंका?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. This is meaning of at same time. Now, Ayan, if A and B are thrown simultaneously, A collides with B at 1 o'clock, then B will collide with A at what time?
So 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock only. So can I say time same लेगा?
Yes, sir.
Yes. तो सेम टाइम में दोनों को इधर हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पे पहुंचने का है, सेम पॉइंट, सेम जगह से, ग्राउंड से। तो ये दोनों का वर्टिकल स्पीड सेम चाहिए क्या? नहीं, बोलो मुझे।
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then
sir.
only it will cover same height in same time because speed is distance upon time. तो इसका वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट इज v1 sin theta इस ये तो खुद वर्टिकल है, so I can conclude A and B will collide if their vertical velocities are same. अभी ये सब देखो, ये सब में दिया नहीं रहता है, रीड करके हम लोग को समझना पड़ता है, इससे मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये ब्रेन ओपनर चैप्टर है. A and B will collide if their vertical velocities are same, क्योंकि सेम टाइम पे फेंका, सेम डिस्टेंस कवर किया, तभी सेम कोलाइड होएगा, जब स्पीड भी सेम होएगा. तो v1 sin theta should be same as v2. They want what is v1 upon v2. नहीं sorry, v2 upon v1. So v1 sin 30 equals to v2. So v2 upon v1 is sin 30. What is sin 30? Half na?
Yes, sir.
So v2 by v1 is half. अभी खाली सिद्धेश को नहीं समझा रहेगा ये v1 sin theta क्या रहता है. If this is one vector, it is making angle theta with horizontal. तो जिसके साथ थीटा रहता है उधर cos आता है. v1 cos कैसा आता है मैं आपको एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर में समझा दूं. थीटा नहीं है उधर साइन आता है, इसको बोलते हैं कंपोनेंट. ये हॉरिजॉन्टल है और ये वर्टिकल. बाकी लोग को सबको समझ गया ये कॉन्सेप्चुअल सब?
सर मेरे को समझा था.
आपको
सर
समझा ही
आपने
नहीं?
बोला सर आपने बोला कि सिद्धेश को नहीं समझा होगा.
नहीं सिद्धेश नहीं, सॉरी संतोष. नहीं सिद्धेश, आप सिद्धेश है ना?
संदेश
संदेश संदेश संदेश सॉरी संदेश. तो हाफ मींस 0.5. जस्ट कॉपी. से किसको भी नहीं समझेगा ऐसा नहीं है. लेक्चर आपने नहीं अटेंड किया रहेगा तो नहीं समझेगा ना, बिकॉज लेक्चर में समझाया ना सब मैंने पहले. तो उनके लिए भी, अभी सिद्धेश के लिए भी एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर रखता हूँ एकदम. So final answer is 0.5.
Sir,
Yes.
so in 15, the answer is 50 or 25.
In which sum you are saying? Which sum?
So 115.
No, I cannot hear your voice.
He's saying 15.
15. Okay. In 15, what you are saying? Answer is what? What is the answer you are asking?
Answer is 55.
15 answer is 50. 50, 50, 50. A option.
Okay. Sir.
हाँ, एक प्रूव किया ना हम लोग ने, 2h equal to r, वही बताया. Now there is absolutely all the sums cleared with you all.
Sir,
Sir,
हाँ,
sum
21.
which sum?
16.
16. ये भी मस्त
Sir,
पूछा है.
21 also.
ये 16 कौन पूछा?
16, sir.
16.
Soham.
सोहम अच्छा सम पूछा है आपने, बराबर. बाकी लोग नहीं पूछ रहे, मतलब या तो वो लोग ने किया नहीं है, नहीं तो कुछ भी फेंका है. You want 16 and which sum? Somebody asked one more sum. Which
Sir,
sum?
19.
21.
21. 16, 21 और कौन सा? 19.
Yes, sir.
19.
Yes, sir, 90.
हाँ, एक मिनट है, साथ में करता हूँ. हेलो. Hello. Yeah. All the three sums I am doing simultaneously. Then you can copy. सब सम अच्छे हैं. Sum number first 16. An electric fan has blade of length. So if this is fan, these are called blades. The blade is of length 10 centimeter from axis of rotation. The fan is rotating with 1200 RPM, means revolution. This is called revolution per minute. Revolution per minute means frequency. acceleration at the tip of blade, A sound. See, this nobody can do because this is from one chapter called circular motion. In NCERT syllabus, काइनेमेटिकल में एंड में सर्कुलर मोशन भी दे दिया है, मोशन इन 2D में. तो मैं फॉर्मूला लिख देता हूं, आप टेंशन मत लेना.
Sir, length is 30 centimeter.
लेंथ इज 30, करेक्ट, विच इज नथिंग बट रेडियस ओनली. इसका रेडियस है जब भी रोटेट करेगा. 30 सेंटीमीटर इज 30 into 10 raised to minus 2 मीटर. एक्सेलरेशन फॉर्मूला एक नया टर्म आने वाला है जिसको बोलते हैं ओमेगा. This is not W. We call this as omega. I will explain you after completion of this chapter. So A equals to omega square into R, ये फॉर्मूला है एक्सेलरेशन. इसको भी टेंशन लेने का जरूरत नहीं, ये है बस, प्रूफ में बाद में करूंगा. So A equals to omega का फॉर्मूला है 2 pi into frequency, उसका स्क्वायर into R. So 2 into pi into this is 1200 per minute divided by 60 to convert into second. So this becomes revolution. 1200 divided by 60 revolution per second. 60 into 20. So either 20 का square into R is 30 into 10 raised to minus 2. This is nothing but 20 into 2 is 40. So 1600 pi square into 3 into 10 raised to minus 1. 16 into 3 is 48. And this 2 zeros with 10 raised to minus 1 will become only 480. Pi square is nearly 10. Pi square is approximately 10. So my answer will be approximately 4800. है option 4800 approximately, B option. This is new sum, not your fault. This formula I have to derive once I complete this chapter, that is motion in 2D. Then I will start with that part. Please solve now.
Sir, I also got the same answer, 4800.
But how you tried? Because we have not done this.
So I don't know.
Some logics you might have applied, na?
Yes, sir.
चलेगा, no problem. ये directly formula based है. Logic तो आपको सोचता है ना, तभी तो दिमाग चलता है. That is difference between good, better, best. So right now you are best, therefore you are thinking in so many ways. All our other students are also approaching towards best. So if everybody becomes best, then our result will be superb. Please copy. This is direct formula. Acceleration is omega square R. Mohit, any doubt?
No, sir.
Suraj,
Sir,
any doubt?
sir, I had doubt in 19, question number 19.
Oh, okay. But after this, not till this, I said, till this.
Okay, no doubt.
19th I am doing just now.
Yes.
Once you are done, please tell me, then I will go ahead.
Yes, sir, done.
Done?
Yes,
Everybody is
sir.
done? Okay. I'm just clearing this out. Sum number now 19th. A very large number of balls are thrown vertically upward in quick succession. मतलब एक के बाद एक ऐसा balls are thrown in air in such a way that next ball is thrown when previous one has reached maximum height. मतलब ये second ball, ये first ball जब ये maximum height पे जाएगा तभी सेकंड को छोड़ने का है, ऐसा वो लोग बोल रहे हैं. Maximum height of 5 meter. If the maximum height is 5 meter, the number of balls thrown per minute. एक मिनट में नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स थ्रोन कितना होएगा? टेक GS 10. चलो अभी देखो, आपको हेल्प करना है मुझे लॉजिक्स बताने के लिए. ये फर्स्ट बॉल को एयर में जाने के लिए अगर 1 सेकेंड लग गया फॉर एग्जाम्पल टू रीच अप टू मैक्सिमम हाइट, तो मैं दूसरे बॉल को छोड़ सकता हूं क्या अभी, क्या नहीं? अगर फर्स्ट बॉल reaches maximum height in 1 second, then can I leave second ball or not as per given condition?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि they are
Yes,
saying,
sir, you can.
because they are saying फर्स्ट जब भी मैक्सिमम में आया तभी सेकंड को छोड़ना. तो अगर फर्स्ट को मैक्सिमम में आने के लिए 1 सेकंड लगा, तभी मैं दूसरा छोड़ूंगा, फिर तीसरा, फिर चौथा. तो इफ वन बॉल टेक्स 1 second to reach maximum height, how many ball will take 1 minute? That is our question. 1 सेकंड में एक बॉल मैक्सिमम हाइट, तो 2 सेकंड में 2 बॉल, ऐसा 60 मिनट मतलब 60 सेकंड में कितना बॉल? 60 आएगा ना.
60.
बट
Yes.
सपोज
हाँ सर 60 है.
हाँ अभी जरूरी नहीं है ना 60. अगर ये 2 सेकंड लगा तो 2 सेकंड में एक बॉल, 60 सेकंड में कितना बॉल? 60
30.
अपॉन 2. हाँ मतलब लॉजिक क्या है इसका? फाइंड टाइम टेकन बाय द फर्स्ट बॉल टू रीच मैक्सिमम हाइट ऑफ 5 मीटर. उसको जितना भी टाइम लगेगा 60 सेकेंड में डिवाइड कर दूंगा वो, तो आई विल गेट नंबर ऑफ बॉल. ओके सूरज?
Yes.
सूरज,
Yes, sir.
what I should find? Time taken by first ball to reach maximum height of 5 meter. So one ball takes that much time. How many ball will take 1 minute? That is 60 seconds is the required answer. So time taken by first ball to reach maximum height of 5 meter beat P second. So कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करूं टू रीच मैक्सिमम हाइट? मैक्सिमम हाइट में व्हाट इज 0? हेलो, at maximum height what is 0?
Final velocity.
Yes, final velocity is 0. Correct, you are saying. Initial velocity I'm not knowing only. So if I use this formula, v square equal to u square plus 2as, this is 0. Initial I can calculate. A is minus g. G is given 10 or nothing given?
Sir, 10.
10. So it is
Sir, 10.
minus 10. Height is upward, so plus. That means indirectly minus u square is 100, minus 100. So u will be 10. Now we know v is u plus 80. So 0 is 10 plus minus 10, because a is acceleration due to gravity, downward में इसलिए minus. So 10t is 10, therefore t is 1 second. So one ball reaches to 5 minutes in t second, that is 1 second. Please copy till this, then I will write conclusion wala line. Copy till t equals to 1 second. देखो एक भी इजी सम नहीं है, रीड करके आपको इजी लगेगा बाद में. अभी किसी किसी को जल्दी क्लिक होता है ये चैप्टर, किसको किसको टाइम लगता है, बिकॉज ये चैप्टर में स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड कुछ नहीं है. Yes, done. Done, na? Hello.
Yes, sir, done.
Done, sir. Done.
हाँ, अभी एक लॉजिक लास्ट में. In 1 second, ball reaching maximum height equal to 1. So in 60 seconds, number of balls reaching maximum height will be 60. So answer is 60. Then I think 21 you said, na?
Sir, done.
I have it on 23rd.
No, first let me complete 21. अभी 21 कोई बोला
Okay,
है?
sir.
21. 21. 21 that graph वाला बराबर? Zero, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. And then point A, 20, 40, 60. This is velocity in meter per second, and this one is time second. The graph is 20 को 20 है. This point is P. Then 30 the constant है. This point is C. Then 40 पे it is going to 60. This is D. Then till 50, 60 it is straight here. This is E. And 70, 80, 90 it is coming down. Question is, velocity versus time graph is as shown in figure. The maximum acceleration is. चलो करण, ये आपने पूछा क्या?
No, sir.
In velocity time graph, which quantity is called acceleration?
Sir, slope.
Very good.
Slope.
Slope, sir.
So, अभी अपने पास इसमें चार पार्ट है. AB, BC, CD, DE. We have to check किसका acceleration is maximum. So that means I have to find slope. Tell me AB का slope. Change in velocity is
Sir,
20
20 minus 0 upon 20 minus
0. 1 हो गया ना फिर?
0.
1. What about BC? 0, correct?
हाँ, sir.
Because no change.
0.
What about CD? CD का slope? Change in
Sir, 4.
Y.
60
4.
minus 20 upon 40 minus 30.
60 minus 20 upon 40 minus 30. 40 minus 30 बराबर 60 minus 20 is 40 upon 10 मतलब 4. फिर DE में क्या है? 0 है ना?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So what is maximum? CD.
CD.
So maximum acceleration equal to 4 meter per second square. Clear? Except सिद्धेश नहीं संदेश, बिकॉज आपको ये सब हुआ नहीं है, इससे आप टेंशन मत लो.
Okay, sir.
आप खाली तैयारी में रखो. रोज अभी एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर आपका
Okay,
फिक्स
sir.
कर दूंगा. 10 दिन तक लगातार फिक्स करता हूँ आपका एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर.
Yes, sir.
After this 23rd, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm doing it. Don't worry. 25th, you all got?
No, sir. I have a doubt, sir.
Hello, sir.
Okay, done?
Yes.
Everybody is done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now sum number 23. 23. A body of mass m is projected horizontally with velocity v from top of tower h. It reaches the ground at distance x from foot of the tower. So if this is tower, this is called foot, na? Foot of the tower. A body of mass m is projected horizontally with velocity v. Its mass is m. From the top of tower at height h, it reaches the ground at distance x from foot. If second body of mass 2m is projected horizontally from top of tower of height 2h, height 2h, a body of mass 2m is projected horizontally from 2h, it reaches at distance of 2x. Then horizontal velocity of that second one is how much? This is the question. Anybody who has not followed this diagrammatic representation first? Anybody who has not followed diagrammatic representation?
Followed, sir.
h हाइट से v का स्पीड से फेंका तो x पे गया, 2h हाइट से मास 2m वाले को क्या स्पीड से फेंका मालूम नहीं, वो 2x तक गया. सो दैट मालूम नहीं वाला वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट. Diagram everybody has understood. When you throw horizontal distance covered is x, vertical distance is h when it is coming downward, but there is no vertical velocity. So whatever time it takes to cover distance h while coming down, same time it will take to cover distance x while coming down. So if I can find that time here, then I can find x. फिर से देखो क्या बोल रहा हूं मैं, नीचे आएगा तो ये वर्टिकल हॉरिजॉन्टल दोनों डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा. सो व्हेन इट रीचेस डाउनवर्ड h, तो वही टाइम पे ऐसा आगे भी कवर करता है ना x डिस्टेंस, इसलिए इधर गिरा. सो आई कैन फर्स्ट से फॉर वर्टिकल मोशन, केस 1 वाला वर्टिकल मोशन सही समझे. फॉर जब भी ऐसा है तो यही फिक्स रूल है, फर्स्ट वर्टिकल मोशन बिकॉज देयर इज नो वर्टिकल वेलोसिटी. s equals to ut plus half at square in y direction. What is initial velocity in y direction? x पे v है, y पे कितना स्टार्ट में, चलो बोलो. What is vertical velocity? yes yes yes, मस्त बोल रहे, बराबर. क्या है?
0.
हाँ परफेक्ट, प्लस हाफ ये gt स्क्वायर. परफेक्ट. तो y is h in downward and g is minus g in downward into t square by convention. अब ये माइनस माइनस तो कैंसिल होएगा, so t becomes 2h by g in root. तो इतना टाइम पे वो h डिस्टेंस कवर किया, सेम टाइम पे वो x भी कवर कर रहा है. व्हाट इज x मतलब डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन y डायरेक्शन, इनिशियल सॉरी, x equals to horizontal velocity v into t plus
Yes,
half
sir.
acceleration is 0 into t square. So x equals to v into 2h upon g into root. This is my equation 2. ये केस 1 हो गया. सबको समझ में आया इधर तक क्या किया, एक्सेप्ट संदेश बिकॉज ही हैज जॉइंड लेट. In projectile motion or inclined body vertical horizontal, vertical horizontal, ऐसा दो डिस्टेंस कवर करके inclined path पे आता है. So when it is coming down by h, it is going forward by x. तो vertical motion के लिए t जितना लगा same horizontal के लिए लगेगा. तो horizontal में I have substituted same t which is 2h upon g. Now for case 2, first copy case 1 till this, then case 2 I am explaining. One of the most beautiful sum is 23rd. So in case 1, they got relation between x, b and h. If completed, please tell me so that I can move ahead. And thanks for cooperating. Best you are doing the work. Can I clear now? Case 1?
Yes, sir.
Case 2. This time x is 2x, height is 2h, velocity you have to calculate. So I can say for case 2, therefore x will become 2x. Now सब कुछ same है, खाली x 2x है, velocity v2 मालूम नहीं है, root of 2, h is 2h, upon G equation 3. Dividing 1 by 2 by 3 we get 2 by 3 we get x upon 2x is v upon v2 root of 2h upon g divided by 4h by g, x cancel, 2h by g, h by g cancel, 2 into 2 4, so left out will be 1 upon 2 is v upon v2, this is इधर 2 आया 1 upon root 2, ये पूरा 1 ये root 2. Please copy now this much. V upon V2 into 1 by root 2. Just one more line that will fetch the result. Therefore, V2 equals to V into 2 by root 2. Therefore, V2 is root 2. Okay, can I clear it now?
Yes, sir.
Then you wanted 25th, I think, no? Sum number 25th. This is also good sum. The coordinate of moving particle are x equals to at square and y equals to bt square, where a and b are constant, velocity of particle at any moment will be. Velocity of particle at any moment. Soham, you can hear? Hello, Soham. Soham. Soham.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Say, Soham can hear?
Yes, sir.
What is dx by dt, Soham?
Sir, slope.
The slope if I draw graph, na? Otherwise what it is?
It's means it 280. Hello, sir.
I want meaning of dx by dt.
Okay.
Derivative.
Derivative.
One you told slope. Second, somebody is telling derivative. Both are correct. But basic you are not telling. Just read it. Wording mein. Rate of change of displacement. What is rate of change of displacement called as?
Velocity.
So velocity.
बराबर. तो इसका मैं अगर dx by dt लूंगा तो मुझे वेलोसिटी मिलेगा. तो dx by dt क्या हो गया? 280 हो गया ना, आपने बोला डेरिवेटिव, ये बराबर बोला. पावर becomes multiplier a as it is t square का 2t. So this is velocity in x direction at any instant. कोई शक? Yes, clear ना?
Yes, sir.
What will be dy by dt? Velocity at any instant.
Yes, sir.
Which will be 2bt or not? So one is v along x, other is v along y. To get net, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. Okay.
Done, sir.
So v will be root of vx square plus vy square. और beautiful sums you have asked me. मतलब अच्छे से किया है काम. 280 the whole square, 2bt the whole square. That is nothing but 4a square t square plus 4b square t square. What is common? 4t square common. Inside a square plus b square in root. So therefore it is 2t outside root of a square plus b square. Do we have this option?
Yes,
Yeah,
A.
sir. बिल्कुल नहीं.
ये option नहीं है?
2BT.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. अभी
है? कौन सा नंबर है? A, B, C, D ऐसा?
अभी समझा.
A.
Option A, sir. Option A. हाँ, sir.
ओके लिखो, देखो ये सब इजी सम नहीं है, ये सब JEE मेन का सम है, नीट का सम है. स्टिल यू आर अटेंटिव एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग, दैट मींस इट इज योर ग्रेटनेस. सॉल्व. Now you got idea, nothing is very difficult if you are able to solve this type of sums. So till now 1 to 25, as per that planner, you are clear with your doubts also, difficulties, everything is done. No more doubt now? I will just clear this.